Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hopefully you have completed understanding the first rule of Nun Sakin and Tanween, and that is Iqlab. Now next we'll be going and learning Izhar. What is Izhar? Izhar is to clearly read something. Zahir, right? Izhar. Now what happens? The blueprint of all the Nun Sakin and Tanween, the right hand side will be same. That means what? Some word will end with, or you will have Nun Sakin, then you will have Tanween. Okay, you will have either Nun Sakin or Tanween followed by any letter, and depending on that letter we will decide what rule it is. When you have Ba, then it is Iqlab, right? So in Izhar what happens? You will have Huruful Halq. Okay, Huruful Halq means the letters which come out from the throat. If you have not watched this video of Makharij, you will know what are the letters, how they are pronounced. Please go and check it out. Now this are the letters of Halq: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain and Kha. So whenever you have Nun Sakin or Tanween followed by these 6 letters of Halq, the throat letters, then what do? Actually you don't do anything. That's the rule, that you should not do anything. In the previous rule and in the next rules you will see that you are elongating, you're giving nasalization, you're maybe leaving the noon sound behind, either you're merging, etc, etc. But in Izhar what do you have to do? You should not do anything to noon. Please don't extend, please don't cancel noon sound, please don't do any hunna. Read clearly as it is. Okay, if you add anything to what is should be not added, then that will be wrong. If you're removing some rules, if you're removing the nasalization where it should be, then it will be wrong pronunciation. Okay, so in Izhar what do? You will not do anything, you will read it clearly, quickly. Okay, so if you're going to take this example, An'amta, you have Nun Sakin and Ain, right? Nun Sakin and Ain. So where is the rule? You have rule between Nun Sakin and Ain. What rule is it? Since Nun Sakin is having Ain after this, Hamza ha, Ain ha, Ghain ha, this is Izhar. How do you read? An'amta. That's it. If you're going to add tune and elongate and you're going to read it as An'amta, now that will be wrong. Okay, that is not the correct way to read. An'amta. No. Similar to that, what can you read when you have Tanween? Example, Toy, you have Toy and you have Run. Toy, Run. Something has ended with Tanween. After Tanween, anything should be starting from Hamza ha, Ain ha, Ghain ha, right? So you have Hamza. Aba, Bila. Okay, Aba, Bila. So it will be Tayran and Ababila. Where is the rule, by the way, between Tanween and Hamza? So how should you not read? Tayran Ababila. No elongation. Read clearly and quickly as Tayran Ababila. That's it. Okay, so here are the few examples. You have in hadha. It is not in hadha. No. Wanhar. You should not do wanhar. No merging, no elongations, nothing. Clearly read it as wanhar. Nuhan hadayna. Nuhan hadayna. Okay, so everything goes like this. Here are the few examples. Hopefully you have understood this very little concept. Alhamdulillah. We will meet in the next video. Follow and share this video with others. Assalamu alaikum.